Assalamualaikum and hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hi, welcome. Ignore the mess of a dresser of mine at the back there. Obviously I just completed making this look and hence all of this makeup there. I actually wasn't sure whether I wanted to upload this on my YouTube or not, but this is like one of my favorite looks that I have created, and I thought that I should definitely share it with you guys here with my YouTube viewers, because this was intended to be a 1-minute Instagram video. Some of the parts I did skip, like where I put on my primer, my foundation, my eyebrows, so I went on straight to the eyes. That's the main star of this look anyways, the eyes. In case you were interested to know the primer that I used today, I used two. First I used the Guerlain makeup base, and then I used the Banila Primer Classic. So this is just for the base, and this is to just smoothen out any textures that I may have on my face. And then for foundation, I've been loving using this, the Givenchy Matissime Velvet Foundation. I feel like this foundation sits on my skin really well, and I totally understand the hype of this foundation. If you look at the reviews, other YouTubers also like this foundation. So, and for eyebrows, I used my favorite, Precisely My Brow Pencil from Benefit in number 5. That's it, yeah. Let's get straight onto the tutorial.
As you can see, I've already done my base, so I'm gonna go straight onto the eyes. I'll be using this eyeshadow primer potion by Urban Decay. Make sure you blend this in quickly, because once it's dry, it's just gonna stick there. And this time we're gonna use the Naked Cherry, and first I'm gonna use the shade Juicy and use a blending brush. And this is going to be our transition shade. So apply this slightly above your crease. And pick up a bit of the shade Bing and apply that into the crease. Make sure you go from the inner corners to the outer corners, because we're gonna do a halo eye. After that, take a cream concealer and apply it on your mobile eyelid, and then what you gotta do is just look up, and then you will know how high you want to draw your crease. So this is where I draw my crease. Then pick up the shade Bang Bang and apply it on the space where we put on the concealer before. Then pick up the shade Young Love and apply that between the brighter and the darker color, and this will sort of be the transition shade between the two colors. I know you get what I mean. Next, apply the shade Privacy on the inner and outer corners of the eyes, and this will just make the eyes look a little bit more deeper, and I like that. Then take a small brush and just do this line thingy that I do to create dimension to your faux crease, okay? Everything is better with glitter, so I decided to put a glitter liner on that place there. Yep, there, right there. I'm terrible at describing. Wow. Okay, so put glitter liner there. Once you're done with that, just move on straight to mascara. I'm using this one from Dark Cosmetics. It's not bad. What's good about it is that it's easy to remove. So senang nak solat. And then eyeliner. What's there to describe? Just draw a winged liner. Try to draw it as dramatically as possible, just to match with the dramatic look, okay? Done with the eyes, now we're going straight to the face. I'm using this Naked Skin Concealer and applying it to the high points of my face, and then of course blending it all out with a beauty blender. Then I set the concealer in place with this all-nighters waterproof setting powder. Next, go back to the shade Bing right there and use that to smoke out the lower lash line. Lastly, apply the shade Turn On the inner corners of the eyes. I'm just kidding, this is not the last step. There's more, obviously. Back to the face, we're gonna use this Naked Flushed, and this is going to be our contour, our blusher, and our highlight. I really love this simple palette. All of the colors, the color payoff, it's really good. I totally recommend this. I bring this to travel all the time. The lips, I chose to use this Hermosa x Shazriana Shukri liquid lipsticks. I think they are really pretty nude colors. I combined them both together to get this look. Lastly, for real, spray on some setting spray and we're done.
Alright, that's it. This is the final look. I hope you guys like this look as much as I do, and I know it's not a very wearable, everyday kind of look, of course, but it still makes you look like a doll, and there are days that a girl wants to look like a doll. So you can refer to this tutorial right here. All the products that I've used in this video will be listed in the description box below just for you to refer to. If you've enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed already, as always, you can click on the subscribe button below, okay? I love you guys so much, and I will see you guys on my next video, inshallah. Bye bye.